Hello, what's going on, guys? This video is for all beginners who they just start streaming and doesn't know how to fix the delay stream. So I'm gonna show you now the easiest way how to fix the delay. Once you open the OBS studio, here are the two ways. So you can go settings here in the bottom, or you can go here up file, then go settings. So once you get inside here, you look for advanced, which is right here. Then we have to click here. Then you see here stream delay. So here you can put after how many seconds once your screen to pop out. Example, if I put here 20, it's gonna be after 20 seconds on Twitch. Or I will suggest to put the 60 seconds. And once you do that, just hit OK. So you will not have any problem with connection or lag or something like that while you are streaming. So pretty much it, guys. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like or comment or subscribe to the channel so I can make more video like that and help the people with the stream. Till then, have a good day.